Welcome to Baking with Saucy Treats. Let's get to it. Before this video starts, let's hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Today's video, we will be learning how to make apple, coconut, walnut. Things you will need will be puff pastry sheets, apple filling, ground cinnamon, powdered sugar, coconut, walnuts, vanilla flavoring, a little melted butter if you would like to brush it at the end. Let's get into this video. So now that you have everything that you need, you want to spread out your pastry puffs. I use a knife just to cut it so that even cuts. I have 6 slices. And with these slices, you want to sprinkle cinnamon and coconut on these slices. You can add the sugar if you want. It looks something like this. You want to make sure you layer it out just kind of like in the center, but don't put too much because you still have to add your apple filling and the walnuts. So now you have your cinnamon and coconut. Now you want to add the apple filling and the walnuts. Still should watch, how much you put on there because you have to fold it so you don't want it oozing all out. And it should look something like this. So we're going to start folding them. And you fold half of one corner over, then you fold the other half. Once you have folded both ends, or both sides in, you want to fold the opposite end, close it up. You use like a fork or something and kind of like mash it down. You use a knife, however you want to do it. Then you're ready to get ground cinnamon again on top. This is where you bake and try to do a little bit after. So ground cinnamon is going to be used quite often. Okay. Then so now you are ready to place them in the oven. I'm placing about 350 or 400, or you can use the directions on the back. Might say 25. After that, you take them out the oven. As you see, they are golden brown. You have to be careful because the filling is really hot. You want to sprinkle a little bit more of cinnamon and powdered sugar on top. Good glaze with a little butter, depending on like a little butter on top of the bread. Either or, it works. But voila, you have created your apple, coconut, walnut pie. Little mini pies that actually have a good taste, almost like McDonald's pies. You don't have to add the walnuts. You can serve these for any occasion or snack or dessert. Very good and delightful.
Thanks for watching and baking with Saucy Treats. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up.